Okay guys, so today I'm very excited. We have a special device and I think it's the best rugged smartphone of this year in terms of features and portability. What I mean is you get the best combo of features, usability and comfort. It's packed with functions while still being comfortable to hold and easy to carry. You see sometimes competitor devices with so many features that doesn't make sense for daily use and end up looking like a brick. Way too thick and way too heavy. It's becoming ridiculous. What we did instead with the G3 Pro is designing a smartphone that you can actually use like a regular smartphone on a daily basis. What makes the G3 Pro special is the back panel hardware. You know, at AGM, when we see a back of a regular smartphone, we see so much wasted space, so much potential not developed. With the G3 Pro, there is absolutely no space wasted. The engineer team found a way to meet all our requirements without compromise. The most difficult was to include the wireless charging on the back panel combined with all the rest. That's why you don't see it on competitors' devices. It's really a challenge. But at AGM, we made it happen. As usual, we take on challenges and innovate, making great devices for our fans. So let me introduce all the functions you can find on this back panel. Let me talk about the 5-watt speaker. This is another impressive achievement from the engineer team because normally a 5-watt speaker takes much more space. And they managed to shrink the size while still performing extremely good and delivering up to 116 decibels. To have a better idea of what it means, for example, a vacuum cleaner goes up to 85 decibels and a blender goes to 95 decibels, and this is 116 decibels, so much more powerful. So you will never miss a call and you can listen to music in all environments. Here on the left, you have the 64 megapixel camera. It's a great sensor paired with a great software too, so you can snap some cool shots, and maybe we will show you some examples in post-production so you can see what the G3 Pro is capable of. Also next to you have the 2 megapixel macro camera for close-up shots, the high resolution thermal camera. With this one you can actually record in 25 FPS, much more than before, and you can take great quality pictures. If you are a tradesman, a plumber, or if you just want to have fun, it's a perfect tool. Also, let me tell you about the differences with our G2 Guardian, because we received some questions on social media. The G3 Pro thermal camera is not designed for long-range detection like the Guardian. It will be great for up to 50 meters only, and if you need a longer range, I definitely recommend the Guardian. It's still the best for that long-range detection up to 500 meters and even more with big objects. Another cool feature of this very complete back panel is the camping lights. Very powerful light that you can rely on in the dark. It's also easily accessible with the side button, right there. One long press and you get a strong light beam. You don't have to unlock the phone and find the settings. We made it convenient and reliable. It's perfect on late night hike or camping trip, but also great for machine repair or plumber work in the dark garage or basement, for example. Wireless charging. The power goes up to 18 watts and it makes charging much easier and convenient. And wireless charging is getting more and more accessible these days. You can now have it in your car, on some restaurant tables, at a train station or airport. So overall, a great tool on the G3 Pro. The G3 Pro has more secrets, and as you can see, it's completely shockproof with a clever design and also 100% waterproof and dustproof. All the ports are sealed and is certified, of course, with the highest military standard and IP68, IP69K. You get a very bright and clear 6.72 inches FHD Plus display with a 120 Hz. It's also surprisingly thin given all the hardware inside. It's very portable with only 375 grams. Other brands are making smartphones twice as large and more than 2 times the weight. Is getting crazy. This smartphone right there can actually be carried around and be your main device. Now under the hood, you can find the MediaTek 7300 5G powerful chipset running Android 15. It's paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of ROM. The RAM is more than enough for multitasking and even some games if you like that. And 512 GB of ROM is more than most of us need. Don't need to worry about space with the G3 Pro. In terms of battery, you also don't need to worry. In fact, it's equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh battery, so you can bring it on during your weekend hike and camping trip and be good to go without thinking to recharge it. And if you do need to recharge, you have the 33 watts fast charge Type-C or the 18 watts wireless charge that I mentioned before. I personally think that this is the perfect device for tradesmen, plumbers, electricians, repairmen. You need the sturdiness and special functions of the G3 Pro, like the strong light and thermal camera. Also great for outdoor people, obviously. The big battery, camping light, and waterproofness, ruggedness will make this device a great companion for any adventure. A reminder that if you don't need the thermal camera, we also have the G3, more foldable options that have the same exact specs except for that thermal camera. You can find these devices on our website, of course. We have the EU website, eu.agmmobile.com, or just agmmobile.com if you're in North America. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time.